the nature that we are in. Malaysia is recognized as one of the 12 mega-diverse countries in the world according to the National Biodiversity Index. One of the reasons for that is due to the presence of great diversity of habitats in Malaysia, namely the seas, rivers, forests, mountains, and many more. Malaysia has an estimated 15,000 species of vascular plant, 306 species of mammals, 742 species of birds, 242 species of amphibians, over 500 species of marine fish, 567 species of reptiles, over 449 species of freshwater fish, and more than 150,000 species of invertebrates. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN), there are about 2,071 threatened species in Malaysia in 2022, and this rank Malaysia in 7th place in the world and 2nd place in the Southeast Asia. Land development, pollution, poaching, invasive alien species, and climate change are the threats to biodiversity loss in Malaysia. Destruction of ecosystems undermine nature's ability to regulate greenhouse gas emission and protection against climate change impact, thus accelerating more climate change and increasing vulnerability to biodiversity loss. Climate change and biodiversity loss should be tackled together. We need to work together and consider the required change honestly in facing the uncertainty complex brought by the convergence of multiple crises in this 21st century. This is to ensure we and our next generation can experience the exquisite and diverse nature that we are currently in.